Hey Salvies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Gisha_everything, and today I am back with another reaction video. Yes. So before I get straight into this video, I want you guys to like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video like this. And also for my social media down below in the description box. Yes, all my social media is down there, so make sure that you go down there and check it out. Yeah, so guys, so today I'm going to do a reaction video to Gabriel Henrik, Film de Tarde. Yeah, Film de Tarde. So yeah, so make sure to give this a huge thumbs up and everything, and without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Hoje eu sinto tanto não ter você, e nem o tempo fez eu te esquecer. Pra que chorar se você não vem? Não vem! Oh, não. Perdi você, não tente entender, ainda te amo. Perdi você, não tente entender, ainda te amo. Perdi você, sem razão, sem querer. Todo fim de tarde é sempre assim, e uma saudade vai nascendo em mim. Eu já nem sei mais por que te amei. Eu te amei. Perdi você, não tente entender, ainda te amo. Perdi você, não tente entender, ainda te amo. Perdi você.
Oh my god, that sounds so good. Like his voice is just so, I love it. I love it. So to my fellow subby that suggested me to do this reaction, thank you so much. I love it so much. It's really good. Yes, it was really great. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to turn that notification bell so you guys can be the first to get notified every time when I upload a new reaction video. Yes, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.